and Prescott. You're learning language exchange with Prescott.
That you need to know.
English.
Hey, so I'm here at this sheep farm in, where is this? Pyeongchang, where the 2018 Olympics was. It's beautiful, right? With my 동생. My 동생, Prescott Cha.
I'm actually her oppa. Now again, we went over this earlier, we'll go over it again. Oppa is a state of mind.
Okay, anyways.
Anyone can be an oppa if you try hard enough.
No, so we're here at the sheep farm and it's gonna be just a chill countryside vlog. Hope you enjoy it. 네, 여기 양떼목장에 와 있는데요. 재미있는 동생이랑 좀 멋지는 오케이
오빠.
멋지는 시골에서 노는 그런 브이로그 될 것 같아요. 재밌게 봐주시면 좋겠습니다.
We're on the road.
On the road.
Yo, it's your boy.
This is my
Big
vlog.
P and Young S. We chillin'.
Should I call you Sally?
Call me Sungil, also call me Oppa. I may be younger than Serum. I got that Oppa attitude.
So we're just on the road talking about the meaning of life.
Snow, what is the meaning of life? We're talking about
things.
Jesus Christ, how he's a fourth dimensional being. Much like Interstellar. About Serum potatoes and sausages. And then she gives me sausage with hair on it. You think you know someone, you think you can trust them.
It wasn't on purpose.
It was on purpose.
This is like real country laugh. 진짜 시골에 왔어요.
Pawnee drove me out here, insulted my rapping, told me there were sheep. Where are the sheep?
Wait, you invited me.
There's kimchi. She suggested that we meet at 9:30. When did we meet, Pawnee?
after 10 o'clock.
After 10 o'clock.
Wait, okay, first of all, he invited me to come see sheep. 양이 없으면 안 되는데. 여기까지 왔는데.
We've seen 10 plastic sheep. What lesson can we learn here? Give up on your dreams early. Pursue more meaningful pursuits like Netflix. And wasting your life.
If your
Wasting your life. Isn't that right?
If your dream is to speak
Pawnee.
English, don't give up. You can do it. 할 수 있어요. 얘는 듣지 마요. Okay, I was on the way to the bathroom and I saw a mural picture of sheep. So that makes me think there are real sheep here too.
We haven't seen real sheep yet.
Demolished. And
Are you not done?
this is my
you done?
food. No, why are you trying to eat my food?
So it's slow.
뺏어 먹지 마. Okay. Here you go.
What percentage of it is lipstick?
I'm gonna eat this dong. 똥사탕.
It's got that good,
Oh, it
good
smells like
nature.
the woods.
Like woods.
Oh,
Does it smell like sheep?
향이 좋다.
No.
나무
Where are the
냄새.
sheep, man?
아주 여기 좋아. I'm sorry. We can talk. 삐졌어. Can we take a break? I'm tired. No, I'm just kidding. I
You
don't
see
like.
how I didn't think you were kidding and I took you seriously? Does that say more about me or you?
It's definitely 6,001.
Under the illusion. We see some sheep.
We thought the sheep viewing was free, but it's
Yo,
not.
do you want?
They better be big and fluffy.
5 minutes later.
They're so fluffy.
Where are the sheep, Sayram? The
Still
sheep
no
were alive.
sheep. 아직 양 한 마리도 못 봤어요 아직. Wow, look at those hills. It's like a painting. Oh, I see sheep. I see sheep there.
Okay, that's pretty good.
The hills are alive with
I
the
don't know.
sound of music. Don't pretend you don't know me.
Lady, can you stop moving me?
드디어 양기다. Oh, the smell. The smell is. Yeah. Oh, they're so cute.
This is. Sorry.
Buddy. They're so fluffy. They're so fluffy.
여기 못 가게끔 막아놨네.
안녕. 양아. 나 좀 봐봐.
Nice.
야, 나 봐봐. 양아. 귀여워.
Yo, they're munching.
ASMR. We finally saw the sheep. There were really sheep. Oh, you can touch them over there.
I don't want to touch them. Do you want to touch them?
Yeah. No. 양기다. Should I try to sing properly this time? The hills are alive with the sound of music. 와, 풍경 멋지다. It's lovely.
Yo, these are $6 sheeps.
Can you hear them tearing up the grass?
Dude, what is this music?
And there's also background music.
Like to calm the sheep's rage.
Coming from the speaker. 너무 웃겨. 자연 BGM인가요? How can you be so hungry? Like, how long are you? Do you just like eat all day? 하루 종일 먹는 거야? 진짜 열심히 먹고 있어요. 너무 잘 먹어요. 뭐야? He's trying to break free.
내가 먹으면
탈출하려고 하나 봐요. Look at this guy. 그렇게 맛있어? 맛있어? Okay, action.
Girls, in my hut.
I don't think I'd want to come here.
Get in my hut. Now listen. This is where I spend most of my time. I sleep right over here. This is the bathroom.
Okay, bye.
There's background music in the hut. There's a speaker in the hut.
Looks like from a storybook. 그림 같죠?
First word you gotta learn is lit. Lit means joro. These are the two most important.
2,000 years later.
I already ate 4 plates. So we're almost playing catch up right now.
I only have a meager 2 plates here.
Meager.